Hello guys, this is Prakash and welcome to our channel Kick Out Chaos. Today I'm going to talk about this. This is the Bolt Audio Airbase Combuds True Wireless Earbuds and the price of this is just 1000 rupees. I'll do the unboxing of this and let's see what we get inside the box. And let's see how well these buds perform regarding the sound quality, bass quality and call quality, and whether these buds are best at this price range or not. But before going in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So this is the box you're going to get for this Bolt Audio Airbase Combuds, and behind the box some of the features are mentioned here. So let's quickly unbox this thing and let's see what we get inside this. First of all, you're going to get a 1-year warranty card along with the user guide. You can go through this once for the instructions. And we also have accessory box which contains a few pairs of extra ear tips and a micro USB cable through which you can charge the case. And here's the main thing. This is the case you're going to get for this Bolt Audio Airbase Combuds, which is neat and good looking with a nice finish. You can see it's so smooth and also very light in weight. Now let's open this. Here we have the buds itself, and we also have a button here which gives a battery level and works as a battery indicator. Now let's pull these buds out and see how they are. These buds are also of good quality and with a good design and very lightweight. Coming to the specifications of this Bolt Audio Airbase Combuds, first you'll be getting the Bluetooth version 5.0, and next you will be getting IPX5 water and sweat resistant touch controls along with 9mm dynamic drivers, and the last one but the most important thing is 15 hours of total playtime. First of all, talking about this case is fully made up of good quality plastic which makes it more strong and durable, and it's so small and compact in size it even fits inside my palm, and you can even carry this thing in your pocket. About these buds, they are also of good quality and made of plastic, were light in weight with ergonomic design, so they are not going to fall off your ears that easily, so you can even use them for workouts. And we have touch controls for these buds to play, pause, change tracks, answer or reject calls, and to even activate the voice assistant on your phone, and even to switch on the game mode. But you can't control the volume from these buds, for that you have to use your phone. They have given a very loud sound and the vocals are really good on this one, and the mids are also fine, but coming to the lows, they are not as good as the mids and lows, but at this price range it's manageable. So if you want to buy this for especially for music, then you can definitely grab this one. The bass is also so punchy and powerful on this one because of the 9mm drivers, and we also have a separate mode for gaming named as game mode, which you can activate by triple tapping on any of these buds. I can't say that this gaming mode is quite good, not too bad. It's like an above average with minimum latency, which is manageable. And about the call quality, the mic is not that good. The other person is going to hear some noise, but it's not a big issue if they take the sound and bass quality into consideration. If calling is not your first priority, then you can definitely go for it. And coming to the ratings, I would be giving 4.2 out of 5 for the sound quality and 4 out of 5 for the bass quality and 3.5 out of 5 for the call quality. If you want to buy truly wireless earbuds with good sound quality, bass quality and average call quality, then you can definitely grab this one. I gave the link in the description so you can buy it from there, and if you have any queries regarding these earbuds, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely respond, and this is Prakash signing off.